Give your broilers a great start. You'll love the finish. Natural sanitation reduces mortality rates. Environmentally safe, grower tested, grower proven. The poultry house sanitizer process originated through university studies from which positive results were achieved. This video provides helpful startup information and should not be viewed as a replacement for the instructional manual provided. Let's begin with preparing the tank. Your LP dealer can assist with any questions that may arise. These next steps are vital to the smooth operation of the unit. Tank preparation includes equalizing pressure, neutralizing moisture, leak testing. Steps 1 and 2 are performed by your propane company and also apply to the on-site storage tank. Do not operate this unit when leaks are present. Purging air and moisture are services provided by a propane company prior to filling with liquid. These are critical operations. Adding methanol. Filling from the storage tank. Once the tank has been purged and filled, the next step is to do a leak test before entering the house. Never use an open flame to check for leaks. Now that the equipment is ready, let's look at the house to be treated. An accumulation of dust on the walls, stem wall tops, and rafters may harbor bacteria. It's recommended that this dust be removed prior to flaming so it can be treated once on the floor. Adequate ventilation must be provided. On tunnel houses, turn all fans on with the main door completely open for the machine to operate effectively. The litter must also be as level as possible. Side curtain houses should be flamed into the wind, realizing the wind will be a crosswind. If it is straight across, the direction of the flaming is not important. If the side wind is at an angle, then flame into the angle. If the wind blows in, as in a gust, from the back of the machine, it can force the flame out of the front of the machine and change the direction of convection. It's important to have a breeze, as the torches need the oxygen and helps keep the ceiling temperature down. The curtains should be in the down position. If it is windy or gusty, raise the wind side curtains most of the way up. You can leave the other side down. Keep the door ends open. Airflow is critical to proper operation. On houses with low side walls, lower the operating pressure to 25 psi when flaming next to the wall. 2 passes may be required. The same applies if the entire ceiling is low. One of the objectives is to dry the litter. One treatment may not be enough to dry the litter. Build-up litter has build-up problems if you have moisture deeper than 3 to 4 inches. With the unit outside of the house, it's almost time to begin. Let's get the unit ready for operation. The electrical source is from the tractor's 12-volt battery. Make sure alligator clips are secure. Ensure all tank valves are in the off position and verify the connection by pressing rocker switches, which will illuminate when power is on. Once checked, return the switches to the off position. In the control box, turn the pilot valve knob to the off position by turning it right until snug. Open the liquid and vapor valves. Prior to opening the pilot valve, light the hand torch that has been provided. Turn on the red rocker switch. Proceed to the control box and open the pilot valve 1/2 turn. Now proceed to light the 6 torches on the unit. Adjust the regulator to 50 psi. Open the pilot valve until the torches are producing a strong blue flame. When the unit is off the ground 12 to 18 inches, turn the green switch to the full on, full flame position. Caution, the flames produced by this unit can reach 2050 degrees. Check the operating pressure gauge to maintain 50 psi and adjust if necessary. Once the pressure has been verified, turn off the green switch, returning the unit to pilot. This verification process should only take seconds. Now you're ready to begin flaming. Position the tractor within 5 to 10 feet from the rear wall. Make sure the airflow is in the operator's face. Lower the unit till the skids touch the litter. Place the tractor in the forward gear. Press the green switch for full flame, moving forward at a speed of 1/2 to 3/4 miles per hour. Proceed to the opposite end of the house, continually monitoring the height of the skids, which should be in contact with, but not dig into, the litter. 5 to 10 feet from the end of the house, return the unit to the pilot setting by pressing the green switch. Once stopped, raise the unit and return to the opposite end with the tractor in reverse to minimize disturbing the litter, and repeat. If you have a problem, push the green full flame switch first. If you get off the tractor for more than a minute or two, shut down the machine. Never leave the tractor unattended. Never leave it in one place while it's running on full flame. Anytime the machine is in full flame, the tractor should be moving. The PHS portion of the treatment is completed, and the unit is running on the pilot setting. Once outside and stopped, lower the unit to the ground. The unit is in the pilot setting. Proceed carefully to the tank and shut off the liquid and vapor valves. The unit will stop after the lines have been emptied. Be aware that this unit will be hot for an extended period of time. The final step to the flame treatment is done by hand. This is a simple process of merely flaming the areas that could not be reached by the PHS as shown earlier. This video provides helpful startup information and should not be viewed as a replacement for the instructional manual provided. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Please call your local propane dealer or Flame Engineering for more information.